In this video, I'll show you a simple and intuitive way to explore property listings using drill-through and dynamic visuals in Power BI. We start with this table of properties. It includes key details like property type, address, bedrooms, price, and agent name. When a user selects a row, a drill-through button labeled More Detail appears. Clicking it takes us to a dedicated detail page. Here, we've got two button slices. One displays all images associated with the property. The other shows a large preview image. This setup allows users to click any thumbnail and immediately see it appear as a larger image on the right-hand side. At the top of the page, I've added a dynamic text box that updates based on the selected property, displaying the address and price for quick context. It's a clean and interactive way to explore property details with just a few clicks. I hope you find some use for this. Please reach out if you have any questions.